Hello, are we live? Yes, Godwin. Good morning. All right. If you're live, just go ahead and comment your name and where you are tuning in from. Go ahead quickly. Your name and where you're tuning in from. Let's before we get started. Your name and when you're tuning in from. Okay. All right. I can see Godwin, Mr. Chiazoka. I can see um, Innocent. Okay. Okay. Mama's Trade, FX Boy Liberty. That's your. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, welcome Victor Joseph from Mina, Niger State. Okay, we have 17 people on this call currently, so keep it coming. Your name and where you're tuning in from quickly. And if you can hear me, drop a comment on the comment section that you can hear me clearly and you can see the screen as we get started. We have to run quickly so we don't take so much time. I want us to look at Euro USD quickly while others join us. Um, I, this is about to form a, if you look at what is happening here, this is actually a retracement. And this retracement is going to come to this point where it's going to form a double bottom. And when it forms a double bottom, you obviously know what is going to happen in the market. It's going to become a buy. All right. This is on a 4 hour, on a 1 hour time frame. Let's look at what's happening on a 4 hour time frame. Okay. So exactly, it's still showing us an indication that this is going to retrace to a point, form a double bottom, and then keep going back up, because this really did not break the previous low, as you can see here. So this is obviously still it's a downtrend. Okay, it's a downtrend, but it's going to retrace a bit on Euro USD. So let's go to 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour and see. You know, the strategy we have here at in TradeWave, we first of all we use higher time frame, lower time frame. So my bias on Euro USD is actually a sell for now if you're to take this trade, but it's going to make the movement is not going to be so big because we are looking at it getting to this level. Unless it breaks this level, if it breaks this level, then it means to keep expecting a downtrend. Okay, if it breaks this level, it means we're going to keep expecting a downtrend. Are you seeing it? So once it's able to break this previous support, okay, then it's going to keep flushing down. But if it doesn't break this, then you expect it to, form a double bottom. Here becomes the neck, and then expect it to go back up. All right. So if you want to take this trade, even though it's already moving, okay, but the risk to reward is not going to be so much because we are trying to. But so my bias right now is on Euro USD. You can wait for it to get to this point, that I marked, and then because usually we don't also trace retracement, then we can now tell if this is going to buy or if this is going to sell. But if it breaks this support level here, if it breaks this support level, then you're going to expect a massive flush down, a massive sale. Then for gold, we're going to look at other pairs. So for gold, gold has been selling since yesterday and is going to sell the more. It's going to sell the more. We're expecting a massive, massive fall on gold. I am not a fan of gold, but because in our community, our head of training is the gold miner. Somehow I get to trade it by default. So gold has been selling and it will keep selling. All right. It will keep selling. So just give me a moment. Let's look at what our bias is on 4 hours and know if we're going to take a sell on gold. All right. This is on 4-hour time frame. You see the movement that gold made from here to this point, and it's still going to keep falling. Still going to keep falling. This is on 4 hours. This is the this is a resistance level that has turned support, and it has broken it. It has broken it. It has broken it. So the next stop we're expecting is this point. Is this point? Let me move this. Is this point? This point. Okay. This region. This is on 4 hours. So if it gets here, it might retest and sell. But if it breaks this level, all right, if it breaks this level, then we'll expect a flush down. But for me, my bias on gold is that it's going to sell up until this point. Up until this point. And to sell up until this point. And to sell up until this point. And let me mark another level where gold potentially is going to sell to. Okay. Going to sell up until this point. So gold is going to actually sell up until this point, but when it's going to happen is what we don't know. But looking at the market structure currently, it's showing that it's on a downtrend. Showing that it's on a downtrend because it didn't break this previous high. Can you see that? On 4 hours, it didn't break this previous high. Okay. So are you seeing that it's on a downtrend? Okay, it didn't break this previous high. So we're expecting it to keep flushing down. Okay, so what we're looking for is a trading opportunity so we can take some trades and make money today from today's trade. So let's look at what is happening in gold on a 5 minutes time frame. 15 minutes. Okay. This is looking like the buy pressure is still a bit high, but let's leave it and come back to it after a while and see. Let's go back to NZD/USD. Let's go to NZD/USD. Okay. It's playing out here. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. This is a downtrend because it hasn't broken the previous high. Are you seeing it here? This previous high. And break it. So it's a downtrend as we speak. But it's experiencing a retracement here. Okay. Go back to 1 hour. So we're looking for a good setup to enter because it's not all about entering the market. If you don't see any setup, you don't enter. You don't rush into the market. You allow the market come to you. That is one of the things I've learned working with our CEO. First of all, yes, I didn't even appreciate and honor, recognize our CEO of TradeWave, Mr. Charles Okam Obinwa. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity you're giving me to be on this live call today. And thank you for what you do for us at the TradeWave community. We are because of you and what you're doing here, the value you're offering to us. I know that a lot of us are as much grateful as I am. So let me know on the comment section what currency pair you want us to analyze and see if we're going to trade. Let me know your bias. If you have a currency pair that you're having a strong bias for a buy or sell, drop on the comment section. Let's make it interactive as possible. Let me know, drop on your comment section what currency pair you think that is going to favor us all on this trade. Let's look at it together. And then if we come to an agreement with what we're seeing in the market, we can quickly take the trades. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. We're going to check out Euro CHF or Euro GBP right now. But let's finish with NZD USD. Okay. So this is on 1 hour. Minutes. Okay. It's buying. But this is still a sell, honestly. Might be taking a sell on. We'll be taking a sell on NZD USD, but let's hold on and see what is happening here on this 15 minutes candle. Oh, at the close of this 15 minutes candle, we'll see what next to do on NZD USD before we take a trade. Okay, because like I told you, it's a downtrend. On 4 hours or 1 hour is clearly showing a downtrend. Okay, so let's go back to Euro USD, see what is happening there. Okay, Euro USD is also a downtrend, but the pressure here on 1 hour, let's see, it's showing that it's going up. Let's look at 15 minutes. Okay, let's check Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Okay, on 1 hour. Oh, can you see what this market is doing? Da, 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 da. Okay, we might. I don't like to trade retracement, so if not, we would just trade the sell here. Take a sell. This is an uptrend. Looking at it at 1 hour. Let's look at it at 4 hours. It's an uptrend. The movement changed here and started an uptrend. You see higher high, higher low, higher high, no, higher high. There's an uptrend. Oh, it's not an uptrend though. On 4 hours, it's a downtrend. Higher high, high. Okay, no, it's an uptrend. Let's go to 1 hour and see. It's an uptrend. Well, I think we'll be taking a sell on Euro GBP, but it's going to. Whoa. We won't stop loving. Please, are you dropping a message on the comment box? Okay, FX, someone from Bangladesh. You're welcome. Oluwaseun from the UK. GBP USD is about to take a good buy. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Let's look at GBP USD. On 1 hour, let's look at it on 1 hour. But that would be, yes. But that would be, like I said, more like, because it's a downtrend, that is going to be more like a retracement. We're trading the retracement because as it goes, it's still going to keep flushing down. But for a sniper entry, we can take trade and maybe watch it move, even if it's 120 pips or 100 pips. Yes. So let's the next 15 minutes candle. Let's wait for this 15 minutes candle to close, and then we can now take a buy entry. But you can also put a buy limit. You can put a buy limit at this point. You can put a buy limit at this point. No, not here. The buy limit at this point. If it breaks above here, you can put a buy limit once it gets here. Let's go back to Euro GBP. I think we need to take a trade on that. Stop raising. Okay, let's wait out this 15 minutes candle. Just get ready. We're going to be entering some trades, but we must get a good setup. We must get a good setup. We won't just jump into a trade. But GBP USD is up for consideration. We're going to be entering, and then NZD USD. I said we're going to be taking a sell on. Sell on Just sell. Definitely 1 hour. I'm gonna take in a buy. Are we following? Let me see what you're saying on the comment box. We are looking at GBP USD currently. This one is asking what pair. And I said GBP USD is going to be up for a buy, but we are waiting for the next 15 minutes candle to close, and then we can take a buy. So get ready to buy GBP USD. And then NZD USD, I'm still looking at it, but let's go to Euro USD and see what Euro USD is giving us. Euro USD is going to sell, but let's wait it out. You can bring in your pairs, your favorite pairs. Let's look at it. Victor Joseph, we are with you, sir. All right. Euro GBP, okay. We're looking at Euro GBP too. But want to get a very good. Let me know what your bias is on Euro GBP. If you're on this live, let me know what's your bias on Euro GBP. What's your bias on Euro GBP? Victor, let us know what your bias is on Euro GBP. But my bias strongly is that it is going to start retracing. If you look at what has been playing out, it's going to keep coming down. But if it doesn't break this, it keeps going back up again. Look at what played out here. Look at what played out here. Look at what played out here. So okay, go on. Gaon said Euro GBP looks like it is oversold. Okay, let's look at the chart again. And then Otebele is recommending GBP card. Let's look at Euro GBP. Yes, it's oversold. This is it's looking like an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend actually, but we're looking at maybe trading the reversal. Okay, but let's see what happens after the close of this 15 minutes candle. All right, and then we might take a buy on this trade. Yes, take a buy on this trade, but that's going to be after the close of this 15 minutes candle. So at 11:31, we're going to be taking a trade. Okay, on GBP USD, we're taking a trade. On Euro GBP, we're taking a trade. I think that is the two places we're going to. Then if you want to do gold, let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Is the Pips pilot on this call? What's your bias on gold? He says, oh, I didn't check the calendar. Oh my goodness, we need to know what. Hold on. Let's all look at the calendar. Like, let's look at the. No. Is this my when I open WhatsApp? Let's look at. Are you all seeing my screen? Confirm if you're seeing my screen. Forex calendar. You see what I'm doing here? Okay. Good. Today is September 21st. Oh, GBP news has already happened now by 12. Okay, it's happening by 12. GBP. Okay. 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 So we're going to actually avoid the GBP pairs because of the news. But Euro GBP, we could actually place a buy on Euro GBP. Or get ready to buy Euro GBP during the news. Okay. Get ready to buy Euro GBP. But of course, it is fundamentals. You can go. Okay, please brace up. We'll be entering GBP USD at the close of this 15 minutes candle. Aha. Somebody was suggesting a currency pair that we should check out. GBP card. GBP card. Okay. Let's see what it's saying, showing us on 1 hour. This is a clear downtrend. Clearly a downtrend on 4 hours. Let's see. Clearly a downtrend. Let's look at the daily time frame. But on a daily time frame, it's uptrend. It has broken a lot of supports. If it breaks this, then it would have to keep going down. That's on daily time frame. But let's go back to 1 hour time frame. I'm more focused on taking trades now. Yeah. On 1 hour, it's a downtrend, okay? So let's go. Let's go to 15 minutes. We are going to. Okay, let's check on GBP USD. Let's check. Okay, let's take a buy on GBP USD. Okay, I'm going to be taking a buy on GBP USD. Let me mark out your entry. You can even enter now. You can take your entry now. No. You can take your entry now. We're going long on GBP USD. So of course, stop loss has to be 30 pips. And then Let's take this trade. GBP USD entry is at let me put it on the chat box. 1.2295. Please, someone can type it for me on the comment box. NZD USD is selling. That's actually my bias on NZD USD. The NZD USD is selling, but I can hear your own bias, everyone. Just go on the comment section. Let us know what your bias is. So who is taking the trade? I've taken the trade already. $30 pips stop loss, risk to reward. You can mark it out here. Okay. My risk to reward is 1:3, 1:4. You can make your risk to reward 1:3. Okay. Your stop loss has to be 30 pips. You know how to calculate that, obviously. Let me see what is happening on the. If you're buying GBP USD, you should do that already. Of course, you have to risk well. Risk management is very, very important. Risk more than, no, don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Proper risk management is key. Okay. 30 pips stop loss. On GBP USD. I'm trying to place the trade on my, because I want to make money too. Okay. Risk more than you can afford to lose. Your risk to reward should be, you know how to calculate your stuff. Now go to and check your account size and calculate how much you are willing to risk for each trade. I'm sure you shouldn't risk more than 1% of your account if you want to really stay safe in the market. So GBP USD is a buy. Go on ahead and buy. 30 pips stop loss. The market is slow. Remember, there is going to be news by 12 o'clock. So get ready. Watch the movement of the market, because by the time you start getting to 11:45, you're going to see how fast the market is a bit slow because of the news at 12. Same thing applies for GBP card, Euro GBP as well, all GBP pairs. So observe the movement of the market before 12 o'clock, and you can now decide to exit the trade or stay on the trade. Or for GBP USD, let's go, let's buy. Someone help me drop on the comment section for orders. 30 pips stop loss, drop entry. I already marked out where the entry is. Then put the, for 1:3 weeks to reward, just put the take profit as well on the comment section. Let's go back to our Euro USD and see what is happening there. There's no news on Euro USD, so let's see what's happening there. Okay, Euro USD, my bias has been a sell, and it has actually been selling, since. So my bias on Euro USD is actually a sell. Look at this 15 minutes candle here. Well, let's go on 1 hour candle and see what's happening. Okay. I'm going to wait it out. No hurry in life. The market is not running. Men and brethren. So who is buying Euro GBP USD? The market is already moving. The market is already moving on GBP USD. So you should be on profit. Even if it's $2 profit. Okay. Please, has someone dropped? You can still enter there, because GBP USD, you can still enter a buy on GBP USD quickly. If you have to do it, you have to do it now. So who is buying GBP card? Where is our GBP card? Who is buying GBP card? At 11:45, let's take a trade on GBP card, but let's watch what is going to happen here. 11:45, can take a quick trade on GBP card. So what I'm going to be calling out for us right now is GBP USD and GBP card. Remember, there is news today by 12. Fundamentals is going to play out. So risk as much as you can afford to lose. At 11:45, I'm going to be taking a trade on GBP card, and that will be the two trades I'm going to call out today. Let's make money from GBP card and GBP USD today. And I pray that the news, of course, you don't pray in the Forex market. But we hope that fundamentals is going to favor our buyers. Okay, and we'll make so much money today. Okay, let's go to NZD USD. NZD USD, we don't have any news on NZD USD right now, so we're going to take a sell on NZD USD, but that will be at 11:45, because every confirmation, we have the confirmation here that it's actually a selling. And let's look at on 30 minutes, on 1 hour, on 1 hour, on 4 hours. But this sell on NZDUSD is not going to be so long unless it breaks this. When it breaks this, it's going to keep flushing down. So prepare. At 11:45, we'll take a sell. So I've given a buy signal on GBP USD. Please let your stop loss be 30 pips. 30 pips stop loss. 30 pips stop loss. Yes. GBP USD 30 pips stop loss. Let me take GBP card. GBP card, go ahead and buy GBP card. Thirty pips stop loss. Then risk to reward 1:2. One is to risk to reward. NZD USD. I'm taking a short on NZD USD. Entry should be 0.5920. Entry on NZD USD. You can sell now. You can sell now. 30 pips stop loss. 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. So to take this trade of 15 minutes. Sell NZD USD now. Sell now. 30 pips stop loss. One is to 2 risk to reward. So I called out 3 trades. Am I correct? Let me see what's happening on the comment section. Drop your comments. Already in profit on GBP USD. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Anyone trade GBP JPY here? Oh, we do, but we're not. Let's look at GBP USD, GBP JPY. But remember, there is news on the. There is news on the GBP pairs. The GBP news coming up really soon. Okay. Let's look at. Okay. Who is selling NZD-USD? If you have entered this trade, you should start seeing later profits. But let's go. 1:2 risk to reward on NZD-USD. 1:2 risk to reward on NZD-USD. Okay, are you seeing NZD-USD is already moving the south direction on 15 minutes? GBP card, there's a, okay, we're just going to wait to play out. And then let's look at GBP USD. Yeah, it should be a massive profit on GBP USD. So I think these are the 3 trades we're going to be taking. So thank you so much for having me on this live trading session today. Look forward to hearing you share your results from this trade. Okay. Share results from this trade. Share results from this trade. Okay. Let's go back to the charts and look at GBP JPY. But you have to, of course, you have to pay attention to fundamentals. It's coming up. Okay. This news has to favor us. Okay, okay. NZD-USD is playing out just fine. NZD-USD is playing out just fine, okay? GBP-USD is also playing out just fine. GBP card. Remember, fundamentals is also going to play out. So set a risk, what you can afford to lose, manage your risks properly, and also be observant, pay attention to the movement of the market during the news. And then as the fundamentals favors us today, we're going to be on massive kulele. When you receive your massive kulele, remember to pay tithes. Okay, so yeah, news coming up in a bit, but I've got to go because, of course, we're done. We've taken 3 trades: GBP USD, GBP card, and NZD-USD. NZD-USD is a sell, GBP USD a buy, GBP card a buy. So let's allow the market do its own. Of course, you all know that the foreign exchange market is just a game of speculations, and nobody owns the market. Nobody owns the market. All we can do is to analyze the best of our ability and then allow our analysis play out. But in the event that it doesn't, I want to make money to collect big. I beg you. Credit is wealth. Don't worry, you make money, but risk properly. Risk properly. Risk properly. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Okay? So that brings us to the end of this live trading session. We'll continue on our community chat. So as you make money, drop your results and share with us. Share with us, share with us, share with us. I want to say thank you for everyone to everyone who joined the live trading session today. I look forward to hearing your amazing results. Share it with us the moment you hit the bag. NZD USD is on a sell, good. GBP card is on a buy. All right, and then let's look at the GBP USD. We said we're buying GBP USD. So we're still bullish. We're still bullish on GBP USD. Let's just wait the market play out. News is coming up in 6 minutes. So get ready, gear up. Let's make the money. Or trade with caution. You've already set your stop loss. You've already set your take profit. So let the market play out. All right. Thank you so much for having me. I celebrate you all. And I can't wait to hear your amazing testimonies and result. Cheers to wealth. Once again, I want to say thank you to the CEO of TradeWave, Mr. Charles Kumobima, for giving me the opportunity to be on this live trading session with you all. God bless you for me and bless every member of the TradeWave community, staff, clients, students. Remember, we are now, we have transitioned here at TradeWave, and TradeWave is no longer just a trading company, but we are into real estate as well. So you might as well check your emails for the updates. Has been sent to your emails. Check your emails for the updates and engage with us in the different areas. And if you're on this call, you are not yet a member of the Cash Club 500. You're not a member of our community. Get started, get started, get started, get started. Go to the group and ask for the startup link and get registered. All right. Thank you so much for having me. God bless you and have a beautiful day.